welcome to a new video. In this video, I want to talk about university experiences and choosing your university path. This is my own experience and it's in no way a recommendation. It's more to just show you that your university path might not go exactly the way that you planned it, and that's okay. You know, you can learn a lot of things from things not going as planned or as expected. I think that my path kind of happened like that. I kind of just went with the flow and, you know, experienced what I needed to experience, and now I'm here and I'm doing this degree and I'm loving it. So when I was in high school, I was really interested in both biology and creative jobs. And so like architecture, interior design, stuff like that. And I didn't really know anything about industrial design at the time. But I knew that I liked biology, I knew that I liked design, so I kind of wanted to mix the two. But when I said that to my teachers, to my advisors and stuff like that, they kind of like brushed it off like, no, you can't do both, you can't have both, you have to choose one. They thought it was a bit weird that I was interested in both something creative and something scientific. But anyway, that was what I experienced in high school, and then I decided, okay, fine, I'll do something like architecture or whatever. I thought that, you know, I was gonna apply and get accepted, and just my career, my university path was just written. I was gonna do a bachelor's degree and then a master's degree, and then I was gonna start working. Kind of didn't go that way at all. Basically what happened is in August, after I graduated already, I still didn't know where I was gonna go because I didn't get into the two schools I applied to. Looking back, it was probably not very smart to only apply to two schools. So in August, after I graduated, I still didn't know, I had no idea where I was gonna go, I had no idea what I was gonna do. I was still between biology and creativity, and basically I ended up applying to this design school in Paris, and I got in, and it was super exciting, and I did my degree, and I honestly learned so much there. I don't regret going there. I had a lot of disagreements and I just didn't like the way that they did things. I learned a lot about design in that school, and it was a fun experience. It was interesting. I met lots of cool people. Overall, it was a good experience. After I was done, I really wanted to get into something a little more technical because I thought that design that I learned in France was quite artsy, quite artistic, and I kind of wanted to view things in a more technical, scientific way. Again, I constantly have this dilemma where I'm like, oh, maybe I should have just studied biology, and then it's just a constant battle because I just want creativity and biology to come together. After that, I found this degree in the Netherlands, in the University of Twente, in Enschede, and it was called Industrial Design Engineering. And so I applied there, I got into a pre-master's program, and I did a 6-month course of pre-masters. So basically, because I didn't have the engineering side of things, I had to catch up. And so I did a 6-month program. I stayed in the Netherlands for 6 months, I moved there, and I met amazing people there. Just an awesome experience. So shout out to my UT friends. So as I was getting ready to start the master's program, I found out about this bio-inspired design degree in Paris. And honestly, when I saw the title, I read the description, I read a little bit more about the degree, I was like, oh my god, this is what I've wanted for the past 4 years. It's design and biology coming together. And I was so excited that I found this, and then I just had to decide if I wanted to continue with industrial design engineering in a school that was much more inclined towards engineering and technology, or if I wanted to shift my master's degree and my specialization completely and go towards something more biology based. In the end, as you all know, I decided to get into bio-inspired design. I wish that I could have spent a little more time at the UT because it's such an amazing university. They have all kinds of initiatives over there. They have incubators and help you build startups, and it's just an awesome entrepreneurial university. Just amazing. But I when I saw this French degree, I was like, wow, this is exactly what I want, so I just went with it. And now I am getting ready to start my thesis, and I'm super excited about it. I honestly don't regret any of my university experiences, even if I had some bad times along the way. Overall, it was such a amazing educative experience. I'm extremely happy with where I ended up. I'm just so excited about this degree. Every time we have a class, I'm mind blown, and it's just amazing. So I'm quite happy and I'm excited for what's to come. And yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. Check in the next few weeks because I'm preparing a very cool video. It's this competition that my classmates and I worked on, and I'm going to read to you the final product that we produced, and I'm super excited about it. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know about your experience. Did you have an atypical experience? Did your experience was your experience just straightforward, just bachelor's, master's, and working? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you all later.